What's up, everybody? This is Danny Mathematics with another example to explore. And today, guys, I'm going to go over example 6 of interior angles of a triangle, okay? And in this example, guys, we're going to actually find out the measurement of each interior angle of this particular triangle, right? And I always want to start off, guys, by what we already know. We already know, guys, that a triangle equals 180 degrees, meaning that these three interior angles, no matter their measurements, they're going to all add up and equal 180 degrees because this is a triangle, okay? So we're going to follow these steps, guys. We're going to solve for x because if you notice, guys, each interior angle is represented by an expression, okay? And x is a particular value that we're going to solve for. And then once we find out x, guys, then we can actually find out the measurements of each angle, okay? So let's go ahead and start the process, guys. The first thing I want to do is I want to label each interior angle. I want to label each interior angle, okay? So I'm going to label this interior angle as angle 1. And once again, guys, it doesn't matter which one you label as 1, as long as you give them different labels, okay? So I'm going to label this one angle 1. I'm going to label this one angle 2. And I'm going to label this one angle 3. Okay? Now, the next thing, guys, that we need to do is, guys, we need to set up the operation to where we're adding all of these angles and making them equal 180 degrees, okay? So let's go ahead and start the process. So I'm going to have angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, right? Equals 180 degrees, right? Equals 180 degrees, okay? Now, what we're gonna do is, guys, we're gonna actually use the expressions, right, to represent each angle, okay? So we're gonna substitute the angle title, right, or the angle name, and we're gonna substitute it with the expression that represents that angle. All right, so let's start off with angle 1. The expression that represents angle 1 is 4x minus 36, so that's what we're gonna put, 4x minus 36, okay, plus angle 2. Angle 2 is 4x minus 34. So it's going to be 4x minus 34, right? Plus, okay, angle 3, which is 2x plus 10. 2x plus 10 equals 180 degrees, right? All right. So once again, guys, we have transition from the labels of the angles to the actual expressions that represent each angle, okay? Now, what else we need to do, guys? We need to combine like terms. We can combine all of the x's. So I have 4x, I have another positive 4x, and I have another positive 2x. 4x plus 4x is 8x, and 8x plus 2x is 10x. So I can cross these out, and I can put 10x. Okay? Now, remaining, I have a negative 36, a negative 34, and a plus 10. Okay? I'm going to use my calculator. Negative 36 plus negative 34 plus 10 equals negative 60. It equals negative 60. I want to make sure, yep, that is correct. It equals negative 60. So that's going to be minus 60 equals 180, right? All right. Now, what we need to do is, guys, we need to add 60 on both sides to get 10x by itself. So the opposite of saying minus 60 is plus 60. So we got to do the inverse, which is plus 60. So we adding 60 on both sides, and I have to add 60 to 180, which is 240. So we're gonna have 10x, right, equals 240. Okay? Now, if I divide both sides by 10 to get x by itself, 10x divided by 10 is this x. Okay? And then 240 divided by 10 is just like saying 24 divided by 1, which is 24. So x has a value, guys, of 24. X has a value of 24. So what we're going to do is, guys, we're going to actually plug in 24, right, in each expression as x to find out the actual measurement of that angle, okay? So let's start off with angle 1. So angle 1 is 4 times x, right? And remember, x is 24, so it's going to be 4 times 24 minus 36. Right? And that's going to give us the angle, okay? Angle 2, same process. It's going to be, angle 2 is 4x minus 34. So it's going to be 4 times x, which is 24, minus 34. Okay? And then angle 3 is going to be 2x plus 10. So that's going to be 2 times x, which is 24, plus 10. Okay? So now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to actually solve this. Okay? 24 times 4, I believe that is 96. Let me make sure. That is 96, and 96 minus 36 is 60. So angle 1 is 60 degrees. Okay? Same thing. Instead of me subtracting 36 from 96, I'm going to subtract 34 from 96, and that's 62. So angle 2 is going to be 62 degrees. Right? And then 2 times 24 is 48. 48 plus 10 is 58. Okay? And I know for a fact, guys, as I add them up, 60 plus 62 plus 58 will equal 180 degrees. Meaning that we have the correct measurements of each angle. Okay? So once again, guys, this right here is the final answer. All right, that is the final answer, guys. All right, angle 1 is 60 degrees, right? So this angle right here is 60 degrees. Angle 2 is 62 degrees. And angle 3 is 58 degrees, okay? Thank y'all so much, guys, for tuning in. Have a great day.